Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the gorgeous Mesa box from Simply Gilded, and the theme of the month is Hello Darling, which is a clever pun. It's a play on the combination of two words, darling and dahlia, since there is this beautiful floral theme for the month, and I just adore this box. I love this soft pink, which is almost like a little bit of a hint of salmon, and then of course I love this color of the green, this sage green, because it matches my nails. And in the back it says live life lusciously. It's got cute little peaches, it's got little juniper, and I have taken everything out and I will be sharing with you everything that's included, but I will not be sharing the mystery item because I don't want to ruin a surprise for anyone. And if you guys don't know, I do customer service for the box, so that's why you receive mine early. But if you are a subscriber, you will receive a shipment confirmation later this week. So without further ado, let me share with you what is included by starting with the little menu card that we get each month. And this is the May 2020 box, and it includes foiled journaling card, designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kit and seals, vegan leather sticker book, B6 stitch binding notebook, engraved black gel ink pen, drawstring pouch, velvet and crystal bow charm, vellum and acetate sheets, and mystery item, which again I won't be sharing. But let's start with one of my favorite things that's always included in the box, and it's the gorgeous pen. Irene makes this most beautiful pen, which by the way I never say, but they have a real weight to it. You know, they're really substantial, and they come in a 0.5 millimeter. Usually black ink. We have blue ink on the website if you prefer to use that one, and this one is with gold foiling, which looks beautiful with the floral, and it has a white barrel with this peachy kind of like soft flowers on the side, and it's absolutely stunning. And then another thing that I wanted to share because I thought it was so freaking adorable. I love, how cute is this pouch? I mean, the material is very soft, and it has a beautiful print on it, and it's just a little drawstring pouch. Sometimes, you know, it's easier to carry something around with this because it's less bulky than having a full pouch. So this will be perfect for everything you want to carry with you, or even if you want to gift it to somebody else. It already makes, you know, a beautiful kind of like gift wrapping idea. And then the next item is the beautiful bow. So the bow comes packaged inside a little, you know, plastic wrapper, which I removed, but I wanted to show here at the backing of the card because the details, there's a, you know, foiling all over the card as well. You can actually cut it up, and I would personally fussy cut around it and turn it into a die cut. And then here is the beautiful bow. Now these bows you can actually attach to your planner, attach to your purse, to your keys, and look how adorable. It has this beautiful little enamel leaf right there and a little crystal, a flower crystal. I think it's absolutely darling, and I love the lobster clasp, which is nice and big, so you can, you know, attach it to basically anything. And then it's this little velvet, so once you receive it, just zhuzh it up a little bit because of course after being you know, in transit for a long time, it's gonna flatten a little bit. And then one of the items that we get included almost every month, it's a B6 traveler notebook insert, and this one says Sweet Peach, and it has this very soft kind of like peachy background, and these are again sewn, so you can see the back here. These are not stapled. They have little dots. The paper is a very nice weight, and there's this beautiful floral pattern in the front, and in the back we have a little embroider. We have a little foiled bow. And then I wanted to share with you the acetates and vellums because, as you know, I do set up planners basically a lot, and whenever Irene includes this kind of papers or anything that I can use for a setup, I am super excited. And the first one here is the vellum, which is let me actually put it right here in the background. So it is white, but I just want to show you so that the pattern can show up better. And again, this is a basic size. And then we have a sheet of the acetate, and these are already folded up, so you can use them on you know, your B6. You can trim them down and use them for smaller size, or you can even laminate them. And it's got little bows which are silver on one side with the little pink hearts, and then if you prefer gold, you just fold it over and you have gold on the inside. Then we're gonna get to, I want to start with the stickers because we get so many stickers. So these are those beautiful bow seals that have the matching floral peachy pattern. These are perfect for making cards, for sealing your gifts, for making little dashboards, anything you want. And then we have the little icons. These are the heart icons, and they are matched with this beautiful green. It's not a green, actually. It's like a gray green, I would say, with gold foiling. And these are so useful. You can use them for anything, and you know, regardless if you have a big planner, a small planner, or whatever. And then she also added the date. No, sorry, this is another. They're not date. Yes, they are date dots. I was like, am I seeing double? Because at first I saw the icons in the bottom. And the dates on in the top, but yes, there are date dots on the top, and then there's more little icons on the bottom with the gold foiling on the background floral patterns, which is absolutely beautiful. And then we have the Luxe Sticker Kit. So Luxe Sticker Kit consists of 3 sheets. One sheet is going to give you 3 of the full boxes, and then 2 sets of the days of the week, gold foiling, stunning colors. These are more headers. We got some checklists, the celebrate and planning time, some icons. I love that one. It says keep growing. And then the second one I want to share is the one that has 5 of the full boxes, one more kind of set of headers. So we have some deco, we have some little washi strips, and then some flags, and they are beautiful. I love this pink. It's just like my type of pink. It's, you know, it's more of a peachy pink, I would say. It's, you know, it's softer. And then here is the little sticker sheet that comes with the kit as well, which has an additional full box, more deco, more little checklists that are foiled, and then 4 of the half boxes, which again, you can write on these using the micro perm pen that was included in last month's box. And also we have that in the shop if you're interested. And then, of course, the journaling card, because Irene makes beautiful journaling cards. And this one is just gorgeous. Sunny days ahead, something to look forward to. You know, we're going through a really rough time, so better times are ahead of us. So I really love the sentiment here. And it's stunning, by the way. So again, I always say you could even frame it, make a dashboard out of it, whatever you wish. And then here is the kind of piece de resistance of this kit, because when I saw this on her sneak peeks, I was dying because this is absolutely gorgeous. We have seen this type of sticker book with the January box, but now it came back with this gorgeous floral pattern, and on the inside it's got a little, the sagey green with a little pocket there. There's a little clip here where if you want, you can attach the bow that came with it. And then these are perfect to use with your little date dots. They also work for all sorts of other companies that make smaller sticker sheets, and this is too adorable. I mean, this will make a cute purse. Actually, you can kind of transform it into a purse or a little mini album as well. So absolutely. And this again is vegan leather, and it's beautiful, scalloped edge, gold closure, etc. Then let's go to the washi tapes, and we get so many washi tapes. Again, Irina spoiled us with washi tapes, and I actually posted the other day, I couldn't resist that I had to sneak peek this washi because this is absolutely stunning. It goes so well with my nails. But you basically get a 1, 2, 3 of the 15 millimeters, 2 of the what are those called, perforated washi, and then 1 of the 10 millimeters. So let's start right here with the 15 millimeter of the floral washi, which is beautiful. Has a soft pink background with the kind of soft gold, and I just love it. And this comes, of course, in the matching 10 millimeter. And then there's another 15 millimeter, which has a beautiful pattern. And I want to talk about the texture because this is similar to the texture of the washi that was included with the Masterpiece box in February. So it has more of a texture to it. It's a little thicker. So it's just beautiful. And it has this like soft peachy background there. And then we have actually, yes, this is more of, I'm like, you know, the days of the week are a different size. And I am not good with sizes, guys. But this is the days of the week. So these are just perforated. So you can just rip them like this. And so if you use a planner, you can use these on top of your days of the week, and it will just work, you know, and you can write again with the microperm pen on the date to mark which day it is. And then we're gonna have two of the perforated washi. One is the single line in this peachy background, and one is a gold foil that has alternating hearts with little bows. So these are all the washi that you get with the main box. So this is just what you get. Now, if you wanna do the add-on, which is an additional $6 for new subscribers, you're gonna get 4 of the 5mm, which is my favorite size, and they come in these beautiful colors. So we have a kind of like a soft pink floral wreath, then a peachy kind of with this one here that has, actually they're kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can open it up for you guys. But this is a very soft pastel-y pink with the, let me get something darker so I can show you. There we go. So this is very soft, doesn't show any better. But anyways, it's soft. I tried. It's a soft pink with a silver foiling a little wreath. And then there is the peach with the alternating hearts and little dots. And then the sage green with the simple the bows that go all around it, and then another one with the little wreath in more of a peachy color. So this again, if you want to purchase it, you can add it on and ships for free with your main sub box, but you have to email us. So this is everything that is included. Again, I did not share the mystery items so that it doesn't ruin the surprise. If you want to know, you can always feel free to DM me at PlanningFancy, and I'll be glad to tell you if you're interested. But otherwise, I hope that you will love the box. I think it's absolutely stunning, and I hope that you will enjoy the rest of your week. But if you have any question, please feel free to reach out to me at PlanningFancy on Instagram, and I will be glad to answer any questions. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye bye.